Ngayong araw, isang panibagong tagumpay ang ating masasaksihan, ang pagtatapos ng mga mag-aaral dito sa Asafo International School. Para sa lahat na nagsipag, nagtiyaga at hindi sumuko, congratulations sa inyo! Ito ay hindi lamang pagtatapos, kundi simula rin ng panibagong yugto sa kanilang buhay. Salute sa Asafo International School! At sa galing ng mga guro, solid ang values at priority ang growth ng bawat estudyante.
To my teachers, thank you. Not for just teaching us what was in books, but for guiding us through our doubts. For seeing potential in us even when we didn't. For your patience, effort, and care. To my friends, thank you for the laughs, the rants, the late night messages, the support, the chills, and the calm.
Maligayang pagbate at mabuhay Asafo International School!
Congratulations to all of us. This is just the beginning. Thank you.